was Gwenllian ferch Gruffudd, and why was she such a powerful symbol of resistance in medieval Wales? Gwenllian was born in the late 11th century into the royal house of Gwynedd. She was the daughter of Gruffydd ap Cynan, one of the most influential Welsh rulers of his age. Her marriage to Gruffydd ap Rhys, Prince of Deheubarth, linked Gwenllian to the ruling dynasty of southwest Wales. Norman lords had made extensive inroads into Deheubarth, leaving Gruffydd and his family little more than the forests and mountains of the Cymod of Caio in Cantref Mawr. In 1136, during a wider Welsh uprising against Norman rule, Gruffydd ap Rhys travelled north to seek support, leaving Gwenllian at home with their children. Maurice de Londres, the Norman lord of Cydweli, began gathering forces to strengthen his hold in the region. Rather than wait for her husband's return, Gwenllian raised an army herself to oppose the Normans, an extraordinary action in a period where women rarely appeared on the battlefield. The battle ended in defeat. Gwenllian was captured and killed near the castle, at a place later known as Maes Gwenllian, the Field of Gwenllian. Gwenllian's legacy lived on through her son, Rhys ap Gruffudd, known to history as the Lord Rhys. He became one of the most powerful Welsh rulers of the 12th century. Some 20 years later, he captured and burned many Norman castles, probably including Cydweli, a symbol of the resurgence of Deheubarth. Today, Gwenllian is remembered as a rare medieval figure, a royal woman who led in battle and became a lasting symbol of resistance. Visit Cydweli Castle to see her memorial stone and discover the story of one of Wales's most enduring heroines. Cadw, for us all to keep.